you are. So I want to make a pie, so stay tuned because I'm going to make a pie for the very first time. Okay, so it's literally the night before Thanksgiving and I think I can do this pumpkin pie. What's the worst that can happen, right? But since you're here, remember, like, comment, subscribe. It literally costs you nothing. Thanks. Let's get started. Okay, so I have this RAE DUNN pie plate that I have been dying to use since I bought it. And I have these cookie cutters that maybe I'll use. Of course, you know, we got these for 90% off. And then I picked up a few things from Target that I needed. Target pickup has come in clutch so many times. I'm gonna preheat my oven. It says to preheat it to 425, but I just noticed this said it can only go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I do not want to break my RAE DUNN plate. So we'll just do that and we'll just leave it a little bit longer. Fingers crossed. Okay, so side note, I know I do a lot of workarounds and we're just gonna really hope that everything turns out great. Okay, so we have our Pillsbury instructions there and all of our ingredients. You know what? Let me clean this up. Okay, this looks much better. Everything is separated and organized according to the recipe. Let's see, just unroll, fill, and bake. Let's see, Pillsbury. Okay, so I saw a video where someone poked little holes in it, so maybe that'll work. Wouldn't hurt, right? Hopefully. Okay, so now we're ready to mix everything into our mix bowl. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good. So we're just gonna add it to our pie crust. And there we have it. Now I do want to add a few little designs to the top of our pie. So let's see if we can do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut some of these out. Oh, look at how cute that is. Look at how cute these came out. So fingers crossed I'm going to put them on the pie and hopefully they don't sink. Let's see. Okay, so this is how it came out. I kind of stuck them to the side because I was scared they would sink into the pie, but they look pretty good. Now let's put it in the oven. Okay, so into the oven it goes. So this is the final result. Again, thank you so much for watching and please like, comment, and subscribe and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.